Chapter 16, Part 3, Translation. Quand vous serez plus âgé, vous le comprendrez mieux. So we have the serez and the comprendre both in the future tense. So it's literally when you will be older, and we're talking about vous plural, not vous formal, because we have an S on âgé, and this is the être. You will understand it better. So we would translate this then as when you are older in the present, you will understand it better in the future. Lorsque le vent soufflera, so when the wind will blow, les nuages arriveront, the clouds will arrive, and in English we would say when the wind blows, the clouds will come. Aussitôt que le soleil se couchera, as soon as the sun goes to bed or sets, will set, as soon as the sun will set, the night will fall. So as soon as the sun sets, night will fall. Dès qu'il se lèvera, as soon as se lever is to wake up, as soon as he will wake up, il pensera à toi, he will think about you. As soon as he wakes up, he will think of you.